Hi, my name is Jane Lugo, but in the course it says Jane Whalen because when I signed up for or applied to Oneonta and this course and everything, I still had my maiden name. I recently just got married in June, and I now officially changed my name to Jane Lugo. So if you see Jane Whalen, that's me. A little bit of an identity crisis, but it's fine. Um, I grew up in Long Beach, New York, and if you don't know where that is, it's a town on Long Island. It's like the island to the island. So it was a fun place to grow up. Uh, then I got married in, as I said, in June, and so now I live in Deer Park, New York, and that is just further out into the island. It's like in the middle. Um, okay, so I went and got my undergrad at SUNY Cortland. Loved it there. Um, and when I graduated, a year after that, I started teaching in Flushing, Queens, and I've been there ever since. I've been teaching first grade, and I do all the subject areas. And I also wear many hats at school. I am the technology coach there, and so that just means that I coach the other teachers in using technology in their classroom. And I'm also the website updater, so I keep the website updated. It's a lot of work for to do those three things all the time, but it's very rewarding, and so I don't mind it too much. The artifact and I've been teaching for 6 years now. I think I said that, but I can't remember. So there you go. My memory is shot. This is my artifact. It is a hat for Oktoberfest, and every time I go, I put a new pin on. Obviously, this is a new hat, so I only have two pins, but the goal is to fill the entire hat. And the reason that I'm showing you this is because I am German, and I'm very proud of being German. I'm trying to learn German too. It's a thing that my family has done for years, and we go together and we just like to have fun and celebrate our heritage. And now that I'm married, my husband also comes and he has a hat of his own, and it's just a fun way for us to connect. And it's been a way that I've been connecting with my family for years now, and hopefully I'll continue to do that, or at least I plan to, with my future family. And I'm just, it's something that I treasure, and I love it, and it's super cute. um, I have enjoyed watching all of your videos and getting to know everybody, and I hope that we can like continue to do this as the class goes on and get to know each other even better. I love connecting with people, and I just think it's a great time. So I will see you all throughout the course, and I am excited to work with you. All right, bye.